Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting tutorial on Pegasus Quick Qualifier. I'm Banda and I will be your guide today as we explore this powerful platform. Today we are going to explore the Quick Qualifier app in the Pegasus Cloud and a powerful tool designed to help you pre-qualify potential borrowers in minutes, giving them a clearer picture of their affordability and buying power. You can generate a professional PDF report to share with your clients, and you just need to go to apps here on top. Under apps, you will see all the applications available for your use. So this is Pegasus Quick Qualifier. You just need to click on it. Okay, so it's loading for now. All right, so this is the first step, the property details. Here you need to mention the property details. You can also add an image of listing by clicking on this plus icon. When you click on it, it will take you to your drive, your computer. So just select the picture here and it will get uploaded to this section. Here you can add the purchase price, let's say 500,000, annual taxes, let's say 4,000. I'm going to change it to 4,000. The condo fee, let's say 350. Monthly heating would remain $100 a month, and then hit continue. Now the second step is the mortgage details. So here you need to add the mortgage details. If your client is a first time home buyer, then select yes. If it's not, then no. We'll go with the first time home buyer. The property status, whether it's a new build or a resale property. So let's go with resale for now. So you can select whichever option applies to your client. The down payment, let's say client wants to make minimum down payment, 25,000, that's 5%. Amortization, this is 25 years, but we have a slider here and you can move the slider to right to increase the amortization, and if you want to reduce it, then move left. So let's consider 30 years. Term, you can mention the term. Lowest rate right now is with 3 years, so you can select 3-year term and then hit continue. Now the third step pertains to income expense details. So here you need to add the interest rate. So right now we have 3.94 and the qualification rate would be 2% added to the contract rate, which is 3.94. So it's going to be 3.94 plus 2%. That's 5.94. And the total income. So total income here means the combined income. If there are two applicants, you need to use their combined annual income. So let's say our clients have the combined income of 135,000. And the credit score, again, for credit score, you can move the slider right or left to increase right and to decrease left. So let's say 740. All good. And now the debt, monthly debts. So here you need to add the fixed monthly obligations like car loan payments, personal loans, student loans. You can mention the monthly payments. Let's say 500 for car loan per month. And then total outstanding revolving debt. This pertains to the credit card outstanding, personal line of credit outstanding. So you can mention the balance here, outstanding balance. For example, 10,000. And here the monthly revolving payments will be calculated at 3%. So that's going to be 300 per month. Then hit continue. This is the section, the step 4 for your details as an agent. You can also add your headshot here to make it more personalized. To do so, you need to click here on this plus icon and then select your picture from your gallery. You can change your name. Here I'll go with Vonda, and you can add your license number, let's say 12345, your contact number, and your email address, your Pegasus email address. So that looks more professional. And then hit continue. This is the overview from the Quick Qualifier. Here you will get the overview of your client's qualification. So monthly cost would be $3,915.65. And the approval, the mortgage will be approved. The mortgage payment would be roughly around $2,332.32. Minimum total income required is $122,816.10, while our client has a combined income of 135. which makes their GDS 32.92% and TDS 40.03%, so well below 39.44 threshold. Here the taxes are included, heating included, and the condo maintenance fee is included. We calculate it as 50%. GDS qualifies, TDS qualifies, monthly installments, and the revolving credit, everything included in TDS and GDS. Now, for this overview, you can also generate PDF by clicking on this generate PDF button here at the bottom. So this is how the final overview, the Pegasus Quick Qualifier sheet looks like. You'll see the property details here. You will see the mortgage details here and the loan details, and then we have monthly costs. This tool is designed to provide you with insights and estimates, and this lets you discuss your client's specific situation and the best course of action with them. So they can go over each item one by one, and then they can decide whether they want to proceed with the mortgage or not. And this looks more professional. To download, you can click here on top right, this downward arrow. Once you click on it, it will get downloaded to your computer, and then you can open it and then send it over to your client. Very simple. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you very much.